everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make the blanket part of this Lovey. So it's a star. Okay, so all you need is some cotton yarn, a yarn needle, a 3.5mm hook and some scissors. Okay, to start you want to make a slip knot. Chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back into the first chain and slip stitch. Okay, chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over and make a double crochet into the center of this ring. Okay, so go in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, chain 1, make a double crochet into the center, chain 1. So this chain 4 counts as a double crochet. You want to have 8 double crochet posts with a chain 1 in between each. Okay, so that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, end with a chain 1 and slip stitch to the third chain in this chain 4. So in here. Right, for the next row, slip stitch into the chain 1 space and chain 3. Okay, that counts as the double crochet. Make another double crochet into the same chain 1 space. Okay, and chain 2. 1, 2. 2 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. 1, 2. Chain 2. 2 double crochets into the next chain 1 space, and just repeat that all the way around. So 2 double crochets into the chain 1 space, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Okay, end with a chain 2 and slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 that you started with. Okay, so now it looks like a little pinwheel. So for the next row, you want to slip stitch to the top of this double crochet. So in there. And then you want to slip stitch into the first chain 2 space. Okay, chain 3. Okay, So every chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. You want to do 1 double crochet into the same chain 2 space. Okay, chain 2. Make 2 more double crochets into the same chain 2 space. Okay, so that makes a little shell. So it's 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Okay, skip over these and do the same in each of these chain 2 spaces. So 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Okay, so that's 2 shells. Two double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. So that will be the same pattern in each chain 2 space all the way around. So in the next one it'll be the same pattern. Okay, so when you get to the end, you just want to slip stitch to the top of this chain 3. Right in there. Okay, so for every row from now on, we're going to increase by 1 double crochet. So this row has 2 and the next row will have 3. So once you've finished this row and you've slip stitched, you always want to start by slip stitch to the next double crochet and chain 3. Okay, so we now have 1 double crochet in there. We want to make our shell in the chain 2 space. So 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets, and then we want to add a double crochet into this end one, so right in there. All right, so you can see this row has 2 and this row has 3. You always want to skip 2, double crochet into the third one. Okay, make your shell in the chain 2 space, which is 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets and add 1 double crochet to this last one here. Okay, skip 2, double crochet into the third one, make your shell into the space. Okay, so when you come to the end of that row, make sure you skip 2 and slip stitch into the top of the chain 3. Okay, so I actually timed how long it takes to make one of these little Lovey blankets. So I go until we have 10 across. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It took about an hour. Right? You just increase 1 double crochet on each row. I'll show you how to do the next row. But yeah, it took about an hour to do one. Okay. You can also let me know in the comments. I'll make the heads separately. So you can just let me know if there's a particular animal you want to see. You can just write up a pattern. Okay. So the last row we had 3 double crochets. So you start each row the same. You slip stitch to the top of the next stitch. You chain 3. And then you just double crochet in the next one. Okay, so now you have 2 there. Make your shell. 1, 2, chain 2, 1, 2, okay. And then you want to do 1 double crochet in there, 1 in there, skip 2 and start again. So 1 right in the end, 1 in the next one. Okay, so you have 4 on each side. Skip these 2 here and go into the third one. And then you just double crochet into the next one. So you just go along and you count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, oops, 4. Okay, skip 2, double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you just repeat that until you have whatever size Lovey blanket you would like, or you can continue until you have a big baby blanket. Okay, that's the end of that row, and I'll just show you one last time. Slip stitch to the top of the chain 3. Make sure you skip those 2 there. Okay, to start the next row, slip stitch to the next stitch, chain 3, and just double crochet. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if there is any animal you want to see. Okay, thank you.